Hello, everybody, and welcome to day 4, talking about ways to invest in real estate.
Bonjour tout le monde. So day 10, that's exciting. Today is all about MICs and REITs. So some weird acronyms, but MICs is Mortgage Investment Corporations, and REITs are Real Estate Investment Trusts. So Jennifer, I guess, is not very familiar with those, and
No, but
I'm
it's
not
basically
super...
companies that invest in real estate. So you put a smaller chunk of money in with
In a
other
pool.
in a pool with lots of other people's little chunks of money that invest in real estate.
Yeah, exactly.
To simplify it.
That's it, and it's private, so it's kind of like investing in stocks, but private stocks in a way, and those that invest in real estate. So again, if you want to be a real estate investor, super easy way to do it, and they can't say it's safe, so there's all kinds of regulation around it, but it is very secure, or I'm not sure what term we're allowed to use, but it's very good. So they offer very good returns. It's very consistent. Yes, there's always
So
risk.
it's pretty stable.
Yeah, it's stable. Yeah, that's it. So I guess maybe we're allowed to say that. I'm not sure. So
Yes, we're not experts. We're just talking about ways that we know of investing in real estate. That's what we do all day, every day.
yes,
We don't do MICs and REITs. We really do it the old-fashioned way.
yeah,
But I think that could be another option for somebody who can't, doesn't have the time or the knowledge to do it themselves. I think it's a good option for someone who maybe has even a smaller amount, like maybe 10,000, that they want to put into a MIC or a REIT, because that won't get you very far in Canada's market.
yeah.
So.
But I did hear two interesting things I want to add. So for a MIC example, some people are investing registered funds in real estate.
I think I'm burning food, so.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Go and save the food. But anyway, so investing, let's say you're investing your registered funds. You have 60,000 in an RSP, and then you've got 10K that's kind of floating. So someone wants a second mortgage for 50,000. Then yes, you can invest that as a second mortgage. But the extra $10,000, which is not a huge amount, it's good, but you could invest it in a MIC and then grow it there. And then when you have more, when you have 100K, then you can do a second mortgage or a first mortgage on something.
Disaster was diverted.
Good, perfect. So that's an option. Someone else was saying as well, I was listening to a podcast. So for those that are more adventurous and investing in the United States, like we are now, you can buy properties for $20,000, $30,000, and some of them do bring in an income of like $1,000 a month, with only like 30,000 US. So of course with the exchange, it's something else.
But it would be $1,000 US as well that would be bringing in per
that's
month.
It. So if you have smaller amounts, there are ways. You just have to be a bit more creative about it and grow your fund, and then buy. So our advice is really buy. Do your due diligence first, but do buy something. Get your foot in the market somewhere, and where it's affordable, maybe not where you live, but somewhere, and then it grows. So it's just a good way of doing it.
Exactly, because we started off with just small properties like a condo and then duplex, another duplex, and I think that's great advice. It's kind of building up from what
exactly
on stepping stones or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, and the first condo was really cheap, $125,000. We weren't seeing much appreciation. We were hoping for cash flow, but we didn't have a plan, so none of the above happened. But anyway, we learned a lot out of it, and then we bought a second property, a duplex. We paid $110,000, so it's crazy. And at that time, it cash flowed, and we were able to refinance it and get a line of credit, and it's been a great cash cow. But the property itself, I wouldn't say it's great, but it was a good stepping stone, good to learn as well as younger investors. So anyway.
Absolutely.
What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's day 5, so 10 ways to invest in real estate.
Remember. We did it the old-fashioned way.
We hand wrote it. So what's the topic? So Jennifer picked all the topics, so I have no idea what we're talking about. But
so actually, investing in the stock market in real estate-focused companies.
Okay, because there's REITs, there's MICs. Some of them are private, some are public. So I guess this would be more the public market where you can go to the TSX or whatever stock exchange.
So we'll talk about that more tomorrow, and maybe even mention a few that are available.
So you'll need to do some research.
No, it's going to be him.
It's going to be me. There you go. That's what happens when you're retired.
Anyway, until tomorrow.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Bye.